Welcome to Deck 9 on Freedom of the Seas, room 9350. This room is a junior suite. It only is for 2 people. This couch does not pull out to a bed. It does have a nightstand on each side of the bed with a drawer. It has this chair with an ottoman and a table over there. This room does have an adjoining room, however, we are not using that, or we don't know the people next door to us. It has the Lavazza coffee maker, and down here in this cabinet there's a fridge. There's a shelf up here which we have some snacks on. This is a small cupboard. It's probably maybe 3 inches wide inside. They left us some water and some welcome aboard things, as well as our emerald pins, because we just reached emerald status. And we have our ducks all in a row. We'll grab a few to hide each time we leave our room. And then there's another cabinet on this side that has all those little shelves as well. Next to this, there are drawers down here. These are have a few items in them, such as the blow dryer and the tissue. However, the other ones are empty. These are great for clothes and things like that. We're currently using this for backpacks, coats that we don't need on the cruise, and some dirty clothes. As well as there's a safe. So by the door here on this side, there is a walk-in closet. Has plenty of space. We have our snorkels up there, as well as some of our packing cubes and things like that that we used. We probably brought too many clothes for this trip, but... And there's plenty of space to store our luggage down here. There is a ceiling to floor mirror here as well. The bathroom has a tub, as well as the full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It has the removable shower head, which is nice. Then down here, there's a shelf for all of your items. The mirrors have cabinets inside of them for all of your stuff. And he doesn't have as much stuff as I have. A lot of stuff. So the cabinets are nice to store all of those items. So we have a larger balcony. It has 2 chase loungers out here, as well as 2 chairs and a table, which is great for when you order room service in the morning, especially watching us come into port. We're currently still in the cruise terminal in Miami, awaiting the sail away.